Don't let crucial regulatory changes derail your innovative peptide research before it even begins. Today, we're addressing a critical subject for every peptide scientist and developer: the precise regulatory standing of compounds like BPC-157. Understanding the nuances of FDA classifications isn't just good practice, it's absolutely essential. It directly impacts how your lab can study these compounds and how companies might mistakenly try to commercialize them. We'll delve into why BPC-157 is under intense scrutiny and the profound strategic implications for your future discoveries. Let's ensure your innovation doesn't get lost in translation.
The FDA has issued clear signals. BPC-157 carries potential significant safety risks. It is not approved for human use in any form, impacting research pathways. This includes sale as a prescription, over-the-counter product, or dietary supplement ingredient. This critical classification affects research study design and potential commercialization strategies significantly. The FDA's role is to ensure substances are safe and effective before market entry. For a substance to be legally marketed, it must undergo strict approval processes. This involves extensive clinical trials to prove both safety and intended efficacy. BPC-157, a synthetic peptide, has not completed this rigorous approval pathway. It is considered an investigational new drug, or simply a research chemical. Therefore, its use is generally restricted to controlled laboratory settings for scientific study. The FDA's concerns escalated regarding its inclusion in compounded drug preparations. Compounding pharmacies customize medications based on individual practitioner prescriptions. However, specific sections of the FD&C Act govern these compounding conditions strictly. If a substance poses significant safety risks, its use in compounding can be prohibited. The FDA specifically noted this concern for BPC-157 as of September 2023. This suggests its legal supply via compounding pharmacies becomes highly problematic. Imagine a lab being told a crucial reagent is unsafe for custom experiments.
We've just analyzed the foundational regulatory classification of BPC-157. It's a critical starting point for any research project. Now let's pivot to the practical and strategic implications, how its different forms behave biologically, and the critical hurdles researchers and startups face navigating this landscape. For more insights into peptide regulation, follow me, Anya Sharma, and subscribe to Peptides Today wherever you get your podcasts. Stay ahead of the curve.
Discussion often highlights different administration routes, like oral capsules or injectables. Each method impacts bioavailability, how much substance reaches its target. For oral forms, the substance must survive the digestive system for absorption. This journey can break down compounds, reducing their systemic bioavailability significantly. Injectable forms bypass digestion, delivering substances directly into the bloodstream or tissues. This often results in higher and faster bioavailability for research purposes. From a regulatory view, administration route influences the substance's risk profile. The FDA noted BPC-157 may pose risk for immunogenicity for certain routes. Immunogenicity refers to a substance's ability to trigger an immune response. Different routes can expose the body differently, leading to varied immune reactions. For researchers, BPC-157's unapproved status means strict study guidelines. Human research requires an investigational new drug IND application and IRB approval. This is a long, expensive, and complex process for any research entity. Marketing BPC-157 without FDA approval carries severe legal penalties for businesses. This creates a gray market outside legitimate regulatory oversight and quality control. Products in this market may be impure, mislabeled, or contain dangerous contaminants. Reputable businesses engaging here face legal peril and ethical compromise.
The regulatory environment for novel peptides like BPC-157 is unequivocally clear. The FDA views it as an unapproved substance with potential safety risks, strictly prohibiting its use outside rigorous approved research settings. For researchers and compliance professionals, the message is direct. BPC-157 cannot be legally marketed for general use. Prioritize compounds with a clear path to regulatory approval. Investing wisely minimizes legal and reputational dangers. Stay informed. Follow me, Anya Sharma, and Peptides Today for crucial insights. Before we sign off, a quick legal disclaimer. This podcast is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. All compounds discussed are for research use only and not for human consumption. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for medical needs and treatment.